till the next year. We need to warn them. I'm going up to them. Said that ain't our responsibility?
Yeah, ain't. Look. Got him right when he wanted to work.
Is that door open?
What?
The door is open.
Hey, Emu. Emu. Emu.
Really respects that.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Hmm? Hang on, let me get this thing how its nose is. It's got a nose like a trunk. Like a little short trunk.
Oh, yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? All I'm looking over here. Look at him. Hey, what he saying, y'all?
Who that is? Nathaniel, who that is?
They from Madagascar.
There they are. Because they don't want you to put your fingers near them. Hmm? Hmm? I know.
No. I don't think you can hide. I don't think so. I think there's no hiding place. This is the hiding place right here. They left.
He went behind that wall.
Yeah, they couldn't find him. I don't want to go down there and get tangled up. Hello. What? Get him?
Mm-hmm.
Is he asleep?
Maybe. You gotta put your hand down there and see.
Well, I'm gonna let you do it. Man, go first.
No, ladies first.
Man. What's that? Is that an owl?
Yeah. This is called the
Oh,
Steller's
look at this.
Sea Eagle.
Come here. Look at this view. This is good. This is a good picture. It's turning.
Ah.
It's turning.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Clearly, you like my idea coming to the zoo. Is this a toucan? Hump day.
Hump day. Hump day.
Wait a minute, is that somebody's head laying on him? Is that his own hump?
This hump.
Are you sure?
Yeah. See, these look kind of different. See, they're different types of camels.
Yeah, they ain't together either. Look at this one. Look
I
at
know.
that one.
I know.
What did they? Which way did they go? Which way did they go? Which way did they
Let's see
go?
if they say they're different. It's amazing, man. They're different.
Hey, what's that? Are you kidding?
You little goat boy.
Looking at me and kidding.
You little goat boy.
Look.
You little goat boy.
Standing there looking at me and doo-doo coming out the back. Look at it. Really? That's how you greet your guests?
Oh, that's so thick.
See that power right there? Is
You
it
think-
see that?
The chicken?
You see that chicken?
Yeah.
Do they eat those?
The little treats?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Most of
oh
the
I didn't
time
know they
they'll
were
eat it from your
treats.
hand, yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize. I thought they were acorns.
Yeah.
Bless you. I didn't realize they were treats.
Look at that. Oh, man.
You're so nasty. You're so nasty. Hey,
Hmm?
sanitize your hands.
What?
Touch that grass. Put some more over here.
Look, Victoria. He came right over.
Hmm?
He came right over.
They think you got food.
But watch his head gonna pop up. Look at that.
She looking on the side.
You could touch them. Look, you could touch them.
No.
Oh, that one has a knot on the forehead.
All of them got a knot. All of them got the knot.
Oh, they do.
Yeah.
The baby doesn't.
Yeah, it does. A little one.
Oh, a little one.
You get a spot on your damn nose.
Goodness. Look at that little monkey over there running around.
Yeah.
I'll let you handle that one. Another one coming, another
Yeah.
one coming. He's coming.
I know.
He's coming. He's
I seen
coming.
him. I seen
He
him.
is here.
Hey. Hey.
He's so close you can't even get a picture. We do not have food. Y'all keep busting over here. We don't have food. Oh, it's so amazing.
Hey. Hey.
I don't know.
Hey.
That must be a male over there. The darker one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey. Hello. Hello. Oh, they look. Hey, getting a little bit up. A little bit scattered. A little bit scattered on the ground.
I'm running my own damn business. You just gonna shut up. Did you get the impala? But they look like deer.
I know. I see them all the time.
We don't. We see them.
Deer all the time.
Oh yeah, deer.
See their cousins.
You see their cousins?
Yeah.
First or second or once removed?
First. Ain't no remove.
Yeah. I brought you to this Kings and Mini and I'm taking you home. You just don't know what it is.
You gotta stop talking because I'm filming.
You need to tell me. You know I get to run in my mouth. I say something Indian everything. Get the impalas.
What you gotta say now?
Nothing.